Assalamu alaikum students. Future perfect continuous, again a very important tense. If I talk about its main definition, so it is a tense which shows any action which will have been completed in future before any specific time. For example, if I say I will have done my work, so it means though I haven't mentioned any time, but I will have done my work before January, before February, before 6 o'clock, before 8 o'clock. So there is sorry, there is some sort of hidden time mentioned in future perfect. Sometimes we mention it openly and sometimes even we don't mention, yet it is your future perfect, and it shows any action which will have been done in your future. So if I talk about its identity in Urdu, you will have these type of words. You will come across like these type of words. चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, ले लिया होगा, दे दिया होगा, कर लिया होगा. As I told you, मैंने काम कर लिया होगा, वो खा चुका होगा, वो सो गया होगा, वो पो चुका होगा. These type of words. And helping verb we will have, and we will use third form of verb, and with singular and plural both we will be having same helping verb, which is will have. Mind it. One more very important point. In future perfect we have only will have, or obviously you can use shall have, as I told you that you can use with I and we shall have, but even it is not compulsory with I and we, you can use will have. But important point is that you can't use will has. Don't use will has with your singular, it will become a blunder, because will is your obviously modal verb, and with modal verb we will use first form of verb, so you can't use has. Has is not the base verb, we have to use have, will have. We can never use will have, so this is like a blunder. And now example, तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं जा चुका हूँगा, I will have gone before you reach. One more thing, in future perfect we have a combination of two tenses, future perfect plus present simple. Whenever you have this type of time mentioned in your tense, तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं जा चुका हूँगा, पाकिस्तान के मैच खेलने से पहले इंडिया टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो चुका होगा, मेरा होमवर्क करने से पहले टीचर सजा दे चुकी होंगी. सो वेन एवर यू हैव टू कम्बिनेशन इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, सो रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट दैट फर्स्ट योर फर्स्ट टेंस विल बी फ्यूचर perfect and second will be present simple, not the future simple. For example, I will have gone, this is your future perfect. तुम्हारे आने से पहले, this will be your present simple. Before you reach, you will not say before you reached or before you will reach or any, like this thing is very important. Future perfect plus present simple combination, you might come across this type of structure. So that is why I've mentioned here, because past perfect and future perfect, we hardly use these two tenses apart from any time mentioned, like as I told you or as I've given you this type of sentences. Like in past, वो हमारे पास example है, डॉक्टर के आने से पहले मरीज मर चुका था. So in past we have again a combination of past perfect plus past indefinite, and in future perfect we have a combination of future perfect with present simple, as I have mentioned here. Hopefully this lecture will help you in terms of learning, as far as learning basic tenses are concerned. So if you like my way of teaching, you may take your online classes on either Skype, WhatsApp or IMO from me. And if you like my way of teaching, having paid a reasonable fee, you may join me online and you may start learning English even staying at home. Thank you very much.